Hi friends, today we will talk about aloe vera. Aloe is actually one of the most popular flavors and can be found in beverages too. People have used it for thousands of years for healing and softening the skin. Aloe vera is gel from the leaves of aloe plants. People eat it in yogurt in Japan. Uses of aloe vera. It also covers some of the risks associated with use. Number 1. It contains healthful plant compounds. Number 2. It has antioxidant and antibacterial properties. Number 3. It accelerates wound healing. Number 4. It reduces dental plaque. Number 5. It helps treat canker sores. Number 6. It reduces constipation. Number 7. It may improve skin and prevent wrinkles. Number 8. It lowers blood sugar levels. Also, aloe vera gel may show anti-tumor and anti-ulcer properties and increase the multiplying of normal human dermal cells. But most common use of aloe vera is in skin care. You can use aloe vera to keep your skin clear and hydrated because the plant thrives in dry, unstable climates. To survive the harsh conditions, the plant's leaves store water. These water-dense leaves, combined with special plant compounds called complex carbohydrates, make it an effective face moisturizer and pain reliever. The takeaway: there are a number of ways to use the aloe vera plant and the various gels and extracts that can be made from it. Researchers are continuing to discover new methods to put this succulent to use. Be sure to consult your doctor if you plan to use aloe vera in a medicinal manner, especially if you take medication.